A train goes from town A to town B, town A to town B. And let me call those who have missed this question. So with Isha, Nova, Sri Charan, and Anurag, please pay attention, Amma. The train average is 50 miles per hour, then it will be 20 minutes late. Okay. We don't know the distance, right? We don't know the distance. Let's say it's traveling d miles. Let's say it is traveling d miles and s miles of speed, which is miles per hour, and then t hours. That's the time taken. Okay. Distance, speed. So you know the formula, right? So s is equals to distance over speed, miles per hour, distance over speed, right? Distance over speed. If he travels 50 miles per hour, 50 miles per hour, it would take 20 minutes extra, 20 minutes late. So what is 20 minutes in terms of hours? Because your answers, your data is all in hours. So what is 20 minutes in hours? That would be 1/3 of the hour. Is that clear, everyone? So it will take 1/3 hour more than the usual because it's late. This is the time it takes. 1/3 hour more than what it would otherwise take. Okay. If it averages 80 miles per hour, same distance, it will be 10 minutes early. That means it will take, what is 10 minutes in hours? Isn't that 1/6 of the hour? So t minus 1/6 hour. So this many hours it would take. Has everybody understood how I'm writing this, Amma? This is critical. Has everybody understood how I'm writing these? Please confirm.
Yeah.
Okay. Because 20 minutes is 1/3 hour and 10 minutes is 1/6 hour. And if t is the actual correct, if it goes at the correct speed, and it will take t hours, because he is saying 1/3 hour late. So how much time it took compared to the actual time it's supposed to take? T plus 1/3. And here it's early, so it took 1/6 hour less. So t minus 1/6. But in both cases, the distance is the same. Correct? In both cases, the distance traveled is the same. What is the distance formula? What is the distance formula? Speed times time. So what is the speed in the first instance? 50. And what's the time taken? T plus 1/3 is equals to, what is the speed? Again, distance is speed times time. What is the speed in the second instance? 80 miles per hour. And what's the time taken? T minus 1/6. So now solve for the t, please. 50t plus 50 over 3 is equals to 80t minus 80 over 6. 80 over 6, isn't that a 40 over 3? So that is 50t plus, all of you please carefully look at my calculation summa. This is what you need to understand. So now add 40 over 3 on both sides. You get 90 over 3 because 50 plus 40 is 90. You subtract 50t on both sides. You get 30t. 80t minus 50t is 30t. Now 3 will go into 90 30 times. And then if you divide by 30 on both sides, you get 1. So what is the actual time it should take if it travels at the correct speed? If it travels at the correct speed, it will take only 1 hour because we assumed t is the correct time it is supposed to take. Okay, it is supposed to take 1 hour if it travels at the correct speed. Okay, Just a second, everyone. I'm back. Okay. So it takes 1 hour. Let's figure out the actual distance, right? So if you substitute the t value, can't you figure out the distance? You can figure out the distance. What is the distance? 50 if t is 1 and then 1/3. So there you go. So what do you get? 50 times. What is 1 plus 1/3? 4/3. So that would be how much? 200 over 3 miles. That is the distance, actual distance, 200 over 3 miles. Now, to travel this much distance, if it goes at 60 miles per hour, let's find out the time. What is the time taken? Distance over speed. What is the distance? 200 over 3 miles. What is the speed? 60 miles per hour. Now, simplify that. That would be 200 over 180. Simplify that. So 10 over 9 hours, correct? 10 over 9 hours. So that means if it goes at 60 miles per hour, it will take 10 over 9 hours, which is 1 and 1/9 hour. Okay, 1 and 1/9 hour. When will it arrive with respect to the scheduled arrival time? Scheduled arrival time is 1 hour. Since it is taking 1/9 hour more, that means it is late by 1/9 hour. Do you all agree? It is late by, it's late. It's taking more time. It's late by 1/9 hour, but he's asking the answer in minutes, correct? So how do you convert the hours into minutes? You multiply by 60. So what do you get? 3 threes, 320. So there you go. It is late by 20 over 3 minutes. Is that making sense, everyone? Question number 3, is that clear?